In today's video, I will walk you through how to add credits to Replit. To get started, look at the top left corner of your Replit window and click the Replit icon. Depending on the current interface, this may appear as the Replit logo or it may open the main menu. Either way, this is where you'll access your account controls. After clicking the Replit icon, select Account. This will take you to your account dashboard, where you can manage your profile, subscription, usage, billing, and other account settings. Once you're on the account page, open the billing section. Depending on the current layout, you may find billing in the left sidebar or as a tab near the top of the page. Select it to open your billing information. On the billing page, you'll be able to see your current plan, any existing credits, and the available billing options for your account. Look for the option labeled Buy Credits or Add Credits, then click it. After that, choose the amount of credits you want to purchase. Continue by following the on-screen prompts until you reach the confirmation step. Before completing the purchase, review the total cost shown on the screen. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. After your purchase is complete, your credit balance should update shortly. If you don't see the new balance immediately, refresh the page and check again. If you don't see the option to buy credits, your account may not yet have access to pay-as-you-go usage. In that case, stay in the billing section and choose the Replit Core plan. Once the Core subscription has been activated, return to the billing page. After your Core plan is active, the Buy Credits or Add Credits button should now be available. Click it, select the amount of credits you want to add, review the total, and complete the purchase by following the prompts on the screen. If the layout looks a little different from what's shown here, don't worry. Replit may update the interface over time, so some buttons or menu locations can change slightly. The overall process remains the same. Start by clicking the Replit icon. Open your account page, go to Billing, and use the Buy Credits or Add Credits option. If that option isn't available, activate the Replit Core plan first. Then return to the Billing section and complete your credit purchase. That's all there is to adding credits to Replit. Once your balance has been updated, your credits will be available for use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.